Alright, the graph of the function g is shown as following. Use it to state the values, if they exist, of the following. So we got all these limits here. Alright, the limit of g of x as x approaches 2 from the left hand side. So let's see what's happening on the left hand side. So we're going that way, right? It looks like it approaches 3. So that's our answer. Alright, let's look at this next limit. It says as it approaching 2 from the right hand side. So it's going this way. Alright. So what do you think it is? It's going to be 2. Alright. And so here's the big question. What happens if, is this defined or not? This is basically what this question, limit is asking us. It says the limit of g of x as x approaches 2. And so we take a look at this. And since the left and the right limits are different, we conclude that the limit of g of x, the function g of x, approaching x plus 2 does not exist. So DNE, that means does not exist. Alright, so this one, let's see it. Limit g of x as x approaches 5 from the left hand side. Let's see, so this is our left hand side. It looks like it approaches, what does that look like? 2. And from the right hand side, what does it look like it approaches? 2. Alright, and now the big question. It says this time the left and the right limits are the same. And so by our definition, you remember our definition was if the limit approaches from the left and the right hand side, then the limit exists. Therefore, it equals 2. And even though it's open, we have open circle right here, open point. Despite that fact, we take notice that g of 5 does not equal 2. Right, so it equals 1. But it appears from going from the left and the right hand side, it will equal 2. So just take note of that. That we know that g, so this was the same. We know that g5 does not equal 2. So we know that for the given point, it does not equal 2. But for the limit, it equals 2.